In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print in Microsoft Planner. If you need to keep a copy of your planner board, share it offline, or save it for documentation, this is a quick and simple way to do it. In this walkthrough, we'll be using your browser's print feature to save the planner board as a PDF, which is often the easiest option when you want a clean, printable version. To begin, open Microsoft Planner and go to your plan board. Make sure the board you want to print is fully loaded on your screen before moving on. This helps ensure the content you want to capture is visible and ready for the print preview. If your board contains multiple tasks and sections, it can be helpful to scroll through it briefly first so everything has loaded properly. Once you're on the correct plan board, press Ctrl and P on your keyboard. This opens the browser's print window. On some systems, this shortcut may immediately bring up a print preview, and that's exactly where you want to be. This preview lets you see how the page will look before saving or printing it, which is useful for catching formatting issues early. In the print window, look for the destination setting. This controls where your print output will go. Click the current destination to open the drop-down menu. Depending on your browser or computer setup, it may show a printer name by default, or it may already list another option. The important thing here is to change it so you can save a digital copy instead of sending it to a physical printer. From that drop-down, click Save as PDF. This tells your computer to create a PDF file of the planner board rather than printing it on paper. Saving as a PDF is a great choice because it preserves the layout and makes the file easy to store, email, or upload wherever you need it. After selecting Save as PDF, click Save. Your computer will then ask you where you want to store the file. Choose a location that's easy to remember, such as your desktop or documents folder, and save the PDF there. And that's it. You've successfully created a printable PDF version of your Microsoft Planner board. If you plan to share the file, it's a good idea to quickly open the PDF afterward and confirm that everything appears the way you expect. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to print in Microsoft Planner.